Hi, everyone. After 10 years of experience in the QA industry, I have one major insight. Any problem can be solved with a smile and a tasty sandwich. I'll try to make my metaphor clearer. As a QA, I used to prepare myself each morning a bagel with cream cheese and corn. And now, as product manager, I still prepare the same sandwich, but in a bun. Although the sandwich has slightly changed, the principle hasn't. For 10 years as a QA, I would rely on specs my product managers would write. But when I shifted to product management, I was the one that needed to write them by myself. And I had no idea how the hell I need to decide what should be included and what's not. So, hello, I'm Yael Teitelman Aravot, and I'm product manager at Sky. Data lover, visual monitor enthusiast, and always with a smile. As you've probably understood, I have 10 years experience in QA, 5 of which I was team lead. 2 years ago, I shifted to the product manager organization, and I'd like to share with you how I use my QA skills and principles to be a successful product manager and show you that you can do the same. At the beginning of my product management journey, I didn't understand how was I supposed to decide what should be added to the spec and how I was supposed to lead a whole team from idea to full feature. So I tried thinking like a client and QA and asked myself, what would I, as a QA, test in this feature? And bingo, all those tests were converted to be requirements in my spec. With this insight at mind, I was no longer a young and confused product manager, but the goal-driven and confident product manager I am today. So, how can we take an idea and make it a product? As a QA, I would obviously focus on the client. What are their needs? What are their use cases? How does their data look like? And what can affect this data? What can work better? And most importantly, what can go wrong? And which errors the client can experience? Surprisingly, or perhaps not, as a product manager, I found these questions are as relevant as they were for QA. And that there is a great importance that the product manager will know their client, what their data look like, what's their flow, and of course, what can go wrong. All of those are implemented into the spec and forward to production. Last but not least, I made use of my management skills and understood that leading a team to a great feature and product is much like leading any group to be a successful team, all based on the same principles. The first one is enthusiasm. You need to create enthusiasm within the team on a common goal. Leadership. We need to lead them, the team, together towards this goal and accompany them in the development process. We need to inspire them with use cases and how this feature can help the clients in production. We need to focus them on the end goal of the feature with MVP while trying to decrease background noises. And we need to be a focal point for any problem they have in the process. Not the technical issues, but more the business, the use cases, and any question they have. So, as you can see, leading a team to a great feature or product is much like leading any group to be a successful team. Same principles, but just different people. To conclude, next time you don't know what you should write in your spec, stop for 5 minutes, eat a good sandwich, and think, What can I test in such feature or product? And from there, the ideas will flow. Thank you.